Are you wanting to use essential oils to support your wellness but aren't sure where to start? Then you are going to love this Comfort Compress. It's a compress that you can use to help comfort tired muscles. With this recipe, you'll go from confused and overwhelmed with essential oils to using them with confidence and clarity to support your wellness. Hi, I'm Katie, co-founder of Simply Earth, an essential oil company that teaches people how to use essential oils and sells them at an honest price. It's time to turn off distractions because making is healing. It's time to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. Everything I'm using is from the Simply Earth recipe box. You will need a compress pad, which can be an old towel or anything like that. We've got a reusable one in this month's box. You'll need some fractionated coconut oil. We're also going to be using Simply Earth's Relief Blend and copaiba essential oil. Next, I'm going to need a bowl of hot water or cold water, depending on what kind of compress you'd like to use. For this video, I'm going to be using cold water. The first thing I'm gonna do for this recipe is dilute my essential oil. So I'm putting a teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil into this little bowl. And now I'm going to add 1 drop of each of my essential oils. The oils that I'm using are naturally cooling and soothing. They're gonna feel really great with this compress. Once that's stirred well and the essential oils are fully diluted in this fractionated coconut oil, I'll add it to my cold water. The oils will float to the top. That's fine. They are diluted. It's okay if they become in contact with my skin. I'm gonna give this a quick stir. I'll dip my compress pad into the water. Get rid of the excess water, and then it's ready to be used. I can apply it to any area that needs some soothing relief. Let's test it out. My elbow feels great. You can make this. When you make it, post a picture on social media and hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth because I cannot wait to see your creations. You will fall in love with using essential oils with confidence and clarity. Let's make this comfort compress together using essential oils so you can soothe your sore muscles naturally.